If you're looking for an ad setup for Facebook to find those winners, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to take you through a simple method of running ads to find out whether or not you have a product that's ready for scale. This is actually phase 2 of my testing method. If you haven't seen what the bottle rocket testing method is, make sure you watch this video after this one, because that's going to allow you to cut a lot of the products that you would have tested that really doesn't have any level of engagement and probably shouldn't have ad dollars put after it anyway. Once you have validated that you have got a winning product, then going into phase 2 with this method is how you find those winners before you actually get stuck into scaling. Now, the ad setup that I'm about to show you is responsible for allowing me to make over $700,000 in 18 days. And if you'd like a copy of that case study, I break it down for you in a PDF. So I've actually linked it in the description below, and I'm going to put the link on the screen for you to actually follow as well. But here we can see that I was spending a lot of money. In fact, from the 1st of October to January 13, I'd spent 220,000 Australian dollars. I also had another account that was doing crazy money as well, and it's this one. I don't know why I didn't sort by the results on this. These are screenshots. I don't actually have access to these ad accounts anymore, but I just found them and I thought, you know what? It's pretty interesting stuff. So I just want to show you that ad setup so you can get out there and start looking for those winners, because finding winners in Q4, you can make a lot of money. And that's what I'm hoping you're going to be able to do by following this method. Let's go. So this is a method I've been using for quite a while. And the reason being is that it puts the emphasis on what we need it to actually be focusing on. And that is the product that we're selling. So what we're going to do is come into our business manager or our ads manager, click on create, and we want to create a sales campaign. Then go to manual sales campaign. And what you should be doing here as well is actually giving it a naming convention so it's easy for you to reference. Test ad for Ronnie's YouTube. Cool. We're going to leave all these settings the same. All right, next we want to go into the sales ad set. We want to make sure that we're driving it to the website and we're selecting that pixel, and we want that pixel to be focused on purchases. We don't want to be out there just running traffic for traffic's sake. It's the campaign to bring in sales. And you're going to be ruthless with cutting these ads as well, because good winners will show themselves very, very quickly within a couple of dollars spent. So that's what we want to focus on. So come through, leave dynamic creative off. We want to set the budget for $5 a day, and that's AUD, $5 USD. Sometimes I'll put that to $7.50 as well, so it is more Americanized. Coming down, we want to change the location to obviously where we're selling. This works for Australia as well. So if you're setting up ads for Australia specifically, it's going to work anywhere really. United States, advantage audience suggestions. So with this, sometimes you can put it in there, other times not. For one of my ad sets, I will leave that as an advantage plus audience. I won't touch it. Placements, leave as is. Give your ad set a name too. Ad set 1. I will also put the number in there as well. Just easy to track it. Awesome. Copy that. Add 1. Cool. Facebook page, Instagram account, if you've got one. We want to be manual upload, and we want the single image or video for this first one. So put in your website URL here, countrysunsets.com. And then we're going to add our media in here. So add an image. Next, done. Awesome. Cool. On a scale of 1 to 10, this old chestnut, how true is this? Guaranteed to not stop laughing when you give it to her. Get yours now and save 30% for a limited time. Yours now, cool. I'll put an emoji on there, funny, cool. 30% off for a limited time. Shop now, and you're going to put your URL to the specific product on there as well. You don't want them going to a collections page, particularly when you are focused on a phrase-based design like this. Very, very important. If you've got a catalog there, you certainly don't want it to go to the catalog either. So you want to turn that off. I'm not sure why that's coming through, but you don't want that to be doing that. Come down. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, it's got the URL there. Make sure the destination is the link to the actual product page there. Very important. And you also want to have your pixel on there as well. That's good for number one. So we duplicate that, and what we're going to do is just swap out that image. So we're going to put another image on there. Again, static image. So add it in. Cool. Then we're going to duplicate that one again, and we're going to turn it into a video. So we've got 3 ads in that one ad set. Cool. So come down, turn it into video. There we go. I'm just going to name that one vid. Cool. So once that's finished generating that video, what we're going to do is you're going to duplicate that. So as soon as that's done, we're going to duplicate this ad set. Awesome. So I'm just going to duplicate that 4 times. So it's just going to be an R5 is what I call this one. 4. Cool. On here, name, we want to give them each a unique number. 3, 4, 5. Save the draft. Okay, so one's going to be open.
Do you want to learn the process to creating a $5,000 to $10,000 per month print-on-demand business? Then I'd love to introduce you to the PODHacks Accelerator. That is my coaching program to start, grow, and scale your print-on-demand business in as little time as possible. And right now is a fantastic time to join because I've just released one of the best offers I've ever created. If that sounds awesome to you, make sure you click the link in the description below. Good on you.
Step 2, we'll go married. Audience suggestions. Now they're going to be changing this again soon too. They keep removing the interest that we can hit. Married. Good. 3. So this is where you can just put in any random kind of interest where you think it might work well. So if there's a TV show, you know, that's something worth putting in as well. So what does a TV show that could work? It's the one with Drew Barrymore. It's funny. She's a zombie. Santa Clarita Diet. See if that's in here. Nope. We'll go humor. Cool. I'll go Harley Davidson because they've typically got a good sense of humor on them. And then lastly, I'm going to do whitetail hunting. So whitetail. We want to get an interest with quite a lot of people in it. Legendary whitetails. Right, we'll just go hunting. Cool, that's a good one. Very good. Okay, so now we've got our 5 ads in there, or 5 ad sets, and that's ready to start publishing. So you can set that for anywhere from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. For it to start. But what you want to see is that you're going to get sales coming in quickly. If not, in the first day, you can be super, super ruthless with it. I don't want to spend extra money if I don't have to. This is phase 2 after you've done the bottle rocket test as well. So you want to just make sure that your ad dollars are going further. So for a full breakdown of the rules, I'll put them in the link in the description below. But if you want to check out that case study where I did do over $700,000 in 18 days, make sure you click that link in the description below as well. Lots of gold nuggets in there. These things are still blowing up. Whatever product you're focused on, chances are there's someone out there that is absolutely crushing it. So there's no reason why you shouldn't be either. Get in there, start testing, be ruthless with those ads, and you will find those winners. And make sure you're doing that mindset work. Now, if you love that video, the one I'm going to share with you next is going to blow your mind because this ad setup allows you to do crazy average order values when you're focused on the right product. So make sure you check it out now.